Greetings and welcome to this Pathways training course. This is a training course where we're going to take just small little nuggets and present it to you so that you have short training pieces. It's really ideal for that person that doesn't have a clue what to do. We are really starting at the very beginning. So have a look at the playlist as we have created it, taking you through piece by piece. Have a look at the descriptions so that you can know which ones are relevant to your needs and enjoy learning, growing in pathways. Now, if your club, like our club, makes use of pathways from the Toastmasters International website, as well as your club administration portal being easySPEAK, it's very important that you understand the logic of the next statement I make. You have to see that we are walking on two separate legs. The one is Toastmasters International. So when you receive an email that gives you a username and password, you have to very carefully watch to see, is it a Toastmasters International website email or is it an easySPEAK email? Because you cannot use Toastmasters International website information on the easySPEAK website, and neither can you use the easySPEAK username and password on the Toastmasters International website. Let's have a quick look. Here's the Toastmasters International website. And clearly, when you receive an email, it will normally tell you your username is an email address. And if I go to the login section here, you will see it requires an email or it requires your member ID. I've used my member ID and that is how I'm able to log in automatically. However, when I go to easySPEAK, it's something totally different. Can you see easySPEAK clearly says easySPEAK, and the username and password that you use here is totally different from Toastmasters International. Make sure you do not mix up those two before we get going. Our next episode is then how to log in with Toastmasters International and to begin your pathways.